Hi everyone! In this tutorial, we'll be looking into adjusting the look and feel of your booking page. Our platform comes with a number of ready-to-use templates, which can be further customized to suit your company's aesthetic and achieve a unique layout. The Themes and Colors page can be accessed in the Settings menu. The first element you will notice is the bar that allows you to choose the template for your booking page. You can click Show All Themes to see the full list of available templates and choose or preview any of the listed themes. You can also check out a preview of your configuration and how it will look on different devices at the very bottom of this page. Please note that the options on this page are not saved automatically, so it will be required to click Apply Settings to your website each time you want to save them. Just below the templates, you will find all of the options that can be used to customize the layout of your booking page. You can upload a custom logo and banner image, choose whether you want the company name and/or logo to be displayed, and configure how the banner is centered and wrapped. The color settings section allows to set up a custom color scheme if the default one does not suit you or if you want to adjust some specific color. It's highly advisable to go through multiple booking pages after adjusting colors, since it can render some elements and text invisible if they become the same color as their background, for instance. If you want to change the layout of the booking calendar for clients, you can toggle the timeline type. For example, you can choose Modern to only display available slots, one of the flexible timeline types to offer more options according to your availability, or one of the weekly timeline types to display the slots for the whole week at a time. The Date Picker type menu will determine whether a specific date or period is displayed, if it's set to Inline Date Picker, or if your clients see a 6-week range with the available dates highlighted for easier access when switching between different dates. If you're using a flexible timeline type and want to offer more flexibility with the available booking slots, you can adjust the time frame to the interval you want to use. For example, if you want clients to be able to book in 30-minute intervals, you can set it to 30 minutes. Kindly note that once a given time frame has been used, it will only be possible to adjust it to a value the current intervals are divisible by. For instance, if it was set to 30 minutes, you would only be able to change it to 15, 10, or 5 minutes. The time format dropdown allows toggling between a 12 or 24-hour clock. Enabling the Show End Time option will display the end time for each client booking along with the start time. The Reviews Count dropdown menu determines how many reviews are displayed at a time on the Reviews page. The Main Page mode allows you to choose what items are displayed on your booking homepage. This drop-down menu offers a number of layouts combining various configurations of company description, working hours, and contacts. Hide Images on Booking Steps allows to remove service, provider, and class images if you do not want to use any. Right to left can be enabled if you're using a language that requires right to left writing. Lastly, let's take a quick look at the Homepage tab. The area on the left is designated for the company description you can add to your booking homepage, so new clients can find out more information about your business. You can add HTML items and formatting to this description using the icons on top. You will see the functions of each button when you hover over it with your cursor. Custom Working Hours allows you to set up a company schedule that is different from the one configured in Time Settings. This schedule will not affect any availability and is only for display purposes. It can be useful when your opening hours need to be different from the actual hours you offer for booking. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and feel free to reach out to our support if you have further questions or require any assistance. If you found this video helpful, you can watch more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our pages on other social media. See you soon!